Hey guys, welcome to Money Mindset and More. And today's quick question is around what are the differences among a DBA, a corporation, and an LLC. I will probably cover two or three major points, and you can discuss more in detail with your lawyer or CPA. So, as far as DBA is concerned, it is nothing but doing business as what I normally define it. It can be any random name which you can assign to your business because let's say you don't want to use your personal name or you don't want to use your company name, so then you decide a name which can be something which is not linked with either of those. In most cases DBA is nothing but a brand name which you want to develop, and it depends upon which category, which field you are catering to. For example, in fashion industry, most of the brands are personal names, but when you go to companies like Walmart or Amazon, those are just random names which has become a big brand. So DBA doesn't provide any legal protection, neither is it is a legal entity. There is no guarantee of that you own the name until you register it and it is approved by USPTO. So those are the fundamental challenges with DBA. A corporation is a legal entity, and that has a very strong laws and regulations which you have to follow. And there are two types of corporation basically in US: C Corp and S Corp. C Corp is basically for larger organization where the entity is completely different from its owners and both are taxed separately. So if you are the owner of a C Corp, you are basically paying the taxes twice. And but it provides the maximum flexibility, maximum liability production, and you can expand globally if you want to. It will be faster and easier. This is a C corp, and the S corp is basically for businesses which are small but not small enough to have, let's say, solo or partnerships. If you have, let's say, $10 million business or something like that, and you want to make sure that you take care of expenses and utilize the tax codes better, then S corp is the method you should go for. Again, it separates you from the owners, but the ultimate taxes you will file, which will roll up to your personal income. That is the major difference between C and S corp. In S corp, everything will be reported under the owners, irrespective of whether it is a corporation or LLC. And the last one is a limited liability company, which is probably the basic form of creating a company in US. You can either do solo partnership or a corporation. We just discussed corporation, which is S corp or C corp. But in most cases, you should have at least an LLC if you are running a business because it provides you liability protections as well as it is a separate entity from your personal assets or identity, I would say. So that's the difference between all three. And DBA will be applicable to all of those. Even if you are a S Corp or C Corp, you can still have a brand name and things like that. So that cannot be limited to any entity structure, but you cannot have C Corp, S Corp at the same time. Then you have to choose either one of those. So that's the difference between whether you can have DBA for all of them or not. Yeah, so let me know. These are some of the points which I consider good to share. If you have any other thought, let me know. And please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks. Take care.